Great, we appreciate you letting us explain. The accountants that we surveyed identified that they had the following needs: marketing, growing recurring monthly revenue that's not tax-related, systems that result in current clients asking them for second and third billable services, growth of their tax client base, smart partnerships with specialty outsource partners that work, maximizing employees' work hours but not overhiring, smart technology choices and/or simplifying those choices. Do any of these things interest you also? One of them? Two of them? All of them? I'm sure you said to yourself, yeah, who wouldn't be interested? So get to it. What's the story? I'm busy. What's your sales pitch? And the pitch is, we don't have a pitch. We have a unique community. We have built, for the first time in history, a cloud community of accountants and other tax professionals. Our goal when we built this community, which was built for our own use, was simply to elegantly monetize. We have built and are running a hard-working accounting and tax business, but our process wasn't making the profit that we felt that it should. You ever feel like that? We had talented people with skills, they had knowledge. Our founder is a member of the AICPA, and he's been doing tax planning for over 30 years. One day he was scratching his head, looking around at all the positives, and he said, "We're awesome. We should be making more profit from this." Then he began to look at all the cloud technologies and other online parts of this industry, and he said to himself, "There's too much to learn. I don't know what choices to make anymore, and I don't seem to be as profitable as I want or I should be. And if I'm having this trouble, I'm sure there's lots and lots of excellent accountants all around the country that are also having the same trouble." So he went on a mission, a walkabout, if you will. That mission was to figure out everything CPAs, EAs, and others do correctly, and then follow the best business practices that he saw from the best and most profitable offices around the country. Not grow to a big four. He wanted to stay small and regional, but be the best small firm. After spending 3 years talking with, surveying, questioning accountants all over the U.S., certain patterns began to develop, and some obvious needs for all accounting offices floated to the surface. Our journey, his journey, was to figure out how to package them, make them convenient to learn and to use, make them affordable, and then wrap them all in a blanket of world-class customer service. Having great tools is great, but many companies have great tools and terrible customer service. Unless you're someone that enjoys silent, careful self-study as your primary way of educating yourself, then those tools leave you wanting to know more information. You need more help, and at the end of the day, aren't as valuable as they initially appear. So one thing we can guarantee you, we have the best customer service department you've ever dealt with. A bold statement, we know, but we can back it up. If you're an accountant and you just want information about how to use us to grow your firm and elegantly monetize, or if you want to add financial services by doing them yourself, then we have the right tools. By the way, if you want to add financial or estate services and you don't want to do it yourself, we have a cloud-based process that is killer for that. And it doesn't start with a stranger asking you to open your book. How many CPAs actually think that's a good idea anyway, and why do financial advisors keep asking? So, if you like what you've heard so far, and you want to hear some examples of what we do, click the link and we'll send you another short video.